Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, all you cricket fans, put your hands together for a man who has played no less than 3 sports at the university level, India's biggest superstar, the one and only Shah Rukh Khan.
लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान, हमारी बारी है, बारी है.
Good evening, everyone. I'll give you a little introduction to what we are here for. From Aligarh to Chennai, from Rewa to Jaunpur, tonight and the next 15 days, 128 budding young cricketers are going to try and take over the cricketing pitch in their quest to become the future superstars of cricket in India. Kyunki ab inki bari hai. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome tonight to the biggest inter-university cricketing tournament, the University Cricket Championship. Please, a big round of applause. This is a new beginning. Aur ye kaise hua? How did this come about? 3 months of hundreds of matches, about 15 lakh budding cricketers participating in it. and then choosing the top 8 teams from the Rohinton Baria Trophy. And these top 8 teams are going to vie for the trophy in the next 15 days. And why university? Because we truly believe here at the University Cricket Championship that some of the greatest legends, some of the greatest cricketing stars, some of the greatest sportsmen have risen because of the sports at university level. Like Mr. Paulie Umbriger, Mr. Rusi Modi, Mr. Pankaj Roy, Mr. Vijay Manjrekar, and the great Mr. Sunil Gavaskar. We believe University Cricket Championship is going to create a unique platform. It will be a game changer for creating opportunities for sportsmen at the grassroots level. An order in thanks is to, of course, the BCCI for allowing us this, the Association of Indian Universities, and the HRD Ministry, and of course NDTV, which has put this whole thing together, and Star for broadcasting it. How am I associated? Wanting to be a brand ambassador, a movie star, etc. Yes, but I'm associated because I'm a sports lover, a true blue sports lover, and I'm a father and believe in sports, and that's what I've been teaching my children too. I truly believe that sports teaches us 2 qualities to build character that nothing else can. 1, sportsman spirit, and second, which is even more important, a sense of team play. If these 2 things are built into the character of youngsters, I think there is great bonding and friendship which takes away from any kind of divisiveness which may arise because of caste, creed or region. We believe at the University Cricket Championship, this is the kind of character we are going to help build in youngsters at the college level. और आज जो 8 टीमें यहाँ पर पार्टिसिपेट कर रही हैं, उनको मैं बताना चाहूंगा, अगले 15 दिन तक 15 दिन, सिर्फ 15 दिन है तुम्हारे पास, और शायद ये 15 दिन तुम्हारी जिंदगी के, और शायद ये 15 दिन तुम्हारी जिंदगी के सबसे अहम दिन होंगे। और मुझे यकीन है कि इन 8 टीमों का हर एक खिलाड़ी अगर अपनी जिंदगी का सबसे बेहतर क्रिकेट खेलेगा तो ये 15 दिन तुमसे ऊपर वाला भी कभी वापस नहीं मांग सकता। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, देश के नए क्रिकेट सुपरस्टार्स हो रहे हैं तैयार, क्योंकि अब हमारी बारी है। A big round of applause to this tournament, and it gives me great honor and privilege to call on stage and present to you someone who I am a huge, big fan of. He himself is not new to university cricket. He played for the St. Joseph's College. He went on to play for the Ranji Trophy while he was still doing his BCom, and went on to get the BCom degree also. Extremely educated, soft-spoken, a gentleman. I think he epitomizes what University Cricket Championship stands for. He genuinely is the perfect role model for any sportsman in the world due to his hard work, dedication to his craft and sportsman spirit. Please welcome amidst us one of the greatest cricketers the history of game has ever seen, the wall, Mr. Rahul Dravid.
लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान। हमारी बारी है, जीत की तैयारी है,
I am extremely privileged and honored to have Rahul besides me. I hate it when he's playing for the other IPL team, but that's another story. But thank you, Rahul, for participating and being a part of this, being a role model, supporting this great initiative. Is there anything you'd like to tell people? And then I'll ask you a few questions.
Firstly, I'd like to say it's great to be back here at the CCI. It's a ground with a lot of history and tradition. It's been one of the great venues of Indian cricket. And it's great to be here today at the start of what I think is going to be a fantastic concept and could go on to become something that is as looked forward to as anything we've seen in India. University cricket, like Shah Rukh said, and sport in universities is very, very important. I think sports in universities has gone down over the years from holding prime position, from being from being one of the most important events in the calendar, the Rohington Barrier has gone down over the years. And it's great to see that so many people are coming forward to make this a huge success. I'd like to firstly recognize NDTV, Star, Toyota, MRF, Fortis, Coca-Cola, the UCI, BCCI, people like Shah Rukh who've come forward to revive and support cricket in the universities. I think this is a great opportunity for the young boys of these 8 universities. I don't think they could ask for a better platform to showcase their skills. I'd like to wish all the 8 teams the very best of luck, to play the game in the right spirit, to enjoy the game, but also to use this as a great opportunity to promote cricket in the universities. It gives me great pleasure to come here to support it. I'd like to wish everyone all the very best. Thank you, Shah Rukh.
Thank you, Rahul. I'd ask... मैं राहुल से एक दो सवाल पूछूंगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो क्रिकेटर्स हैं और जो जवान लोग हैं एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच CCI for allowing us to do this. This is a wonderful ground. I would crack a joke here, but I won't. I'd like to ask Rahul. Rahul, some of the teams that are going to participate out of the 8 and the others when they are trying to qualify, the ones in the metros, do you think unko thoda advantage hai because they get to play more tournaments and they have a little more of audience, you know, they're performing in front of a larger audience perhaps because of being in metros?
I think, Shah Rukh, the game is changing in India. I think if you look at a lot of the young cricketers today and people coming into the sport, they're actually coming in from smaller towns and cities. And I think that is the future of cricket and sport, I believe, in India. So it's great to see that, you know, there are boys and universities from slightly smaller towns, whether it's, you know, from Gwalior and places like that. It's great to see that they're competing with the metros, and I think they have all the facilities and they have a great stage to show some great performances. Yes, in the beginning, maybe the boys from the metros might have some advantages of having played more cricket, but I think some of the boys from these smaller towns and cities have a great hunger and a desire, you know, which could see them upset some of the bigger universities.
So all the boys who are listening to Rahul, please listen to this. And the fact that you're going to be in front of thousands and hundreds of television audience, develop a temperament for it. And, you know, just play the game as it should be without worrying about the audience. That's the kind of, you know, advice I can give. And of course, I'll ask Rahul to tell you so when they're going to be playing in front of so much audience in television now. Is there a difference in temperament that you have to develop to play?
I think the most important thing is to forget that you're playing in front of so many people. I think the most important thing is to remember that it is still a game, and you have to play the game because you love it and not focus on the results. I think do all your preparation, do what is required, and then focus on just enjoying and playing the game rather than worrying about the results or worrying about the television cameras and worrying about all your friends and family watching this game or watching you play on television. It's a huge stage. It's a great opportunity, and I would see it as an opportunity rather than a pressure.
All right, so please utilize this opportunity to the fullest, and inshallah we are going to see you as the superstars of tomorrow. And having said that, I'm going to call upon the captains of the 8 teams that have made it from the Rohington Barrier Trophy for the University Cricket Championship. So ladies and gentlemen, please, boys and girls, come on, put your hands together for the 8 captains who are coming on stage now.
Imran Salim, captaining the Northern Stallions, Aligarh Muslim University. Vijendra Singh, captain of the Eastern Eagles, BBS Purvanchal University, Jaunpur. Naveen Tiwari, captain of the Eastern Tigers, APS University, Rewa. Saurabh Dhaliwal, captaining the Western Wizards, Jivaji University, Gwalior. Dinesh Borwankar, captain of the Southern Champs, Jain University, Bangalore. R. Avai Karsan, captain of the Southern Sharks, University of Madras, Chennai. And the two playing captains in tonight's inaugural match of the Toyota University Cricket Championship. Parveen Singh Yadav from the Northern Stars, Jamia Millia Islamia University, New Delhi. And Suresh Lad, captain of the West Wolves, the home team, Mumbai University.
Thank you very much and a big welcome to all of you. और हमारी तरफ से और पूरे देश की तरफ से सारी यूनिवर्सिटीज की तरफ से और CCI और जितने भी लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद हैं और जो तुमको देखेंगे अगले 15 दिन तक बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो कि you guys have reached here and all the best. Play hard, play tough and play with the great sense of sportsman spirit. Rahul, you like to say something to them?
You're from Jamia, no? So we know that who's the real hero of Jamia. So they're still doing what Shah Rukh Khan did many, many years ago. So that's it's great to see. Great energy. Just like to wish all of you all the very best. Hope you play the game in the right spirit. Play hard, but play fair. All the very best.
And I think now we will move on to having the toss for tonight's match, tonight's game. और आज की गेम किसके बीच में है? मुंबई और जामिया, नॉर्दर्न स्टार्स, जामिया. तो तू थक तो नहीं गया ना इतना नाच वाच गया? अच्छी तरह फील्डिंग करना सब कुछ. Okay. Let me just introduce them quickly. Please say your names so everybody starts knowing you already, so that we know your names when you become superstars.
Naveen Tiwari
From Rewa. This is Naveen.
Bijan Kumar Singh, BBS, Purvanchal, Jaunpur.
God bless you.
Imran Salim, Aligarh Muslim University.
Sohrab Taliwal, Jivaji University, Gwalior.
All the best, Saurabh, and तुम्हारी टीम को.
Yes, Avai Karsan from Madras University.
Well done. Congratulations for being here.
Dinesh Borwankar, Jain University, Bangalore.
Siddesh Lad, Mumbai University.
Praveen Singh Yadav, Jamia Millia Islamia.
All the best. I took the names because these are names, inshallah, we are going to hear for years to come now because of the University Cricket Championship. And now I would like to invite on stage, or onto the field at least, the two teams which are playing tonight. If we can have them on the field, please.
लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान. हमारी बारी है, जीत की तैयारी है, तैयारी है. We will win. अब हमारी, अब हमारी, अब हमारी. We will rock you.
Good to see you.
धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, छीन के भी ले लेंगे आसमान।
I request
Ladies
everyone
and
around the
gentlemen,
stadium.
please stand for the national anthem of India.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. And now, because it is televised, we'll have to take a small break, एक छोटा सा break, 1.5-2 मिनट का, और वापस आकर हम इस क्रिकेट का सिलसिला आगे बढ़ाएंगे। मुंबई की टीम जिसका नाम है वेस्टर्न वुल्व्स और जामिया की टीम नॉर्दर्न स्टार्स, जिनके बीच में टॉस का सिलसिला मैं और राहुल आगे बढ़ाएंगे। हैव अ शॉर्ट ब्रेक एंड कम बैक सून। थैंक यू लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन।
Good evening, Mumbai. I hope you had a wonderful time seeing the entertainment, and now we are ready for the action, ready for the toss. I've got both the captains, the match referee, and our two icons in the middle. Let's get straight to business. Sanjay Patil, the match referee, will throw the coin. And who's going to call it? Sidesh, you or Praveen? Praveen will call it. Heads is the call. And heads it is. What do you want to do?
बॉल डालेंगे पहले।
प्रवीण बॉलिंग करोगे? अच्छा, कैसा लग रहा है शाहरुख के साथ डांस करके? पहले तो क्रिकेट के बारे में बाद में।
सर से मिलना ही मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है, और राहुल सर से मिलना मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा ड्रीम है।
कैसा लगता है यूनिवर्सिटी क्रिकेट को लाइव देखेंगे आज? ऐसा लगता था कि आपको ऐसा मौका मिलेगा?
लगता तो नहीं था, बट मीडिया ने और ऑल इंडिया यूनिवर्सिटीज ने, मैं थैंक्स कहूँगा इनको कि इन्होंने ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमको दिया।
तो अब जम के खेलो और नाम कमाओ। शाबाश, ऑल द बेस्ट। Sidesh, you've lost the toss, but in T20, it's not that important, is it? The pitch is fantastic, so no need to do the pitch report. CC has wonderful pitch, and you've played many matches here.
Yeah, exactly. The wicket seems to be good, and we have a good batting lineup. So if we can, score good runs, and then we can put them under pressure.
What did you want to do if you would have won the toss?
We would have bowled first because the dew factor will come into play. But never mind, we have a good batting lineup.
So you're going to bat first and set a good total. What total in mind you have got?
Somewhere around 170 will be a good total.
So all the best and get to the total. Okay, Rahul, wonderful to see you first of all, backing this format of cricket, and I'm a product of this, and it just got lost in translation for a couple of decades, but it's back now, and so nice to see you here.
Yeah, it's great to be here. Like you said rightly, I mean, I never had the real pleasure of playing, unfortunately, the Rohington Barrier because sort of busy with Ranji Trophy cricket by the time I was in college. But, but I think it's great that university cricket is being revived, and, this is, it's fantastic to see that people are putting time, energy, money into this format, into this game. It's great to see the kind of support that people are putting in, because if you can revive university cricket again, I think there's nothing like it, because it provides so many opportunities to young boys and girls really in the future to be able to study and play sport, and I think that is really important.
I can't remember studying much when I was in college, but it was a good time. We played much cricket. Thanks a lot being here, and I hope to see you, more of you here. Shahrukh, first of all, I must remind Rahul that I got him for a pair in the Dilip Trophy match, so claim to fame.
Okay, good. I remember it. I won't forget it. Don't worry.
So, you, Shahrukh, pleasantly surprised to see you here, lending your brand and persona. Why? I mean, I know you feel passionately about university cricket, and you spent a lot of good years in, and your alma mater is playing today.
No, first of all, Atul, thank you very much for everyone here, especially Dr. Roy and everyone who's set this whole organization up. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हम लोग अपने रोजमर्रा के काम में जो करते हैं वो करते हैं, बट उसका कोई ऑफ शूट हो, कोई ऐसी चीज हो जो दिल को लगती हो, जिसकी मैं मदद कर सकता हूं या किसी भी तरह से. I don't think all these people need help, but I think it's important in today's time and age to come forward with whatever appeal we have. An appeal to the whole of this country. It's very close to my heart that everyone should become a sportsman. Allow your children to play sports, make it an alternate profession. And I wish all the kids, I like kids, I like boys and girls, youngsters doing so well for the country and otherwise, and would like to see lots of them on international stage, whether it's at Olympics, whether it's athletics, whether it's cricket.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. मुझे लगता है इन 130 लड़कों में से कुछ ना कुछ जरूर भारत के लिए खेलेंगे और नाम कमाएंगे. अगर नाम नहीं भी कमाया तो एक प्रोफेशन खेल सकते हैं. क्रिकेट will make a living for them. And thanks to this wonderful T20 format.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
Thank you very much.
So we're all set, and the toss has been won by Jamia. They're going to bowl first, and we'll be right back with some more action.
It's time to put on your dancing shoes, because ab aapki bari hai. Please welcome Shankar and Ehsan.
Come on, people of Mumbai! लड़के हैं हम, धड़के हैं हम, गलियों को छोड़ा गए हैं अब मेन रोड पे, तो छोड़ दे मैदान, किया है ऐलान, जीत के भी ले लेंगे आसमान. हमारी बारी है, जीत की तैयारी है, तैयारी
start to the Toyota University Cricket Championship here at the CCI. We are seeing live action. Shah Rukh Khan inaugurating the tournament. Great fireworks show. It's a terrific atmosphere here at the CCI, at the Brabourne Stadium. A great history to it, and this man has added great value. Well, we'll take a break and we'll come back later.